Hello and welcome to this session on digital solutions for sustainable commuting. Over the next 3 parts, we will explore how IT tools and data-driven approaches can make commuting smarter, greener, and more efficient. Our goal is to help you understand how digital solutions can support both commuters and mobility managers in urban settings. In part 1, we focus on apps and platforms. In this section, we focus on concrete digital tools. Our analysis covers 48 IT-based solutions that were either already in use or well known to our project partners. These include national or local tools that, while not widely deployed across Europe, play an important role in supporting commuting trips for individuals or enabling reporting and data analysis for mobility managers. The field of digital mobility tools is much broader, but we will focus on this selected sample to highlight practical examples and insights. Part 2 and 3 of this session focus on gamification and pilot experiences. In these sections, we will explore the role of gamification in promoting sustainable commuting and share lessons learned from our project partners' experiences using digital tools in their pilot activities. By the end of this session, you will have a clearer understanding of the tools available, how they are applied in real-world contexts, and how digital solutions can drive smarter, more sustainable commuting practices. Let's first see what are the main goals of these identified digital solutions. Our analysis shows that most of the digital solutions have a focus on planning and coordination. Many tools enable real-time information and integration between different transport services, helping commuters enjoy smoother, multimodal travel experiences. Some are designed for city planners, transport authorities, and mobility service providers, supporting data-driven urban planning by analyzing commuting patterns, predicting demand, and optimizing public transport schedules. The second objective is behavior change. Many tools are designed to influence user choices, encouraging people to opt for public transport, active mobility options like walking or cycling, or shared mobility instead of private cars. To support this, they often use digital nudging strategies, for example, gamification, incentive-based rewards, or personalized mobility recommendations, to guide users toward more sustainable travel habits. We will explore this topic in more detail in part 2 of the course, and in part 3 you will see concrete examples from our project partners' experiences showing how these strategies work in real-life commuting contexts. The third objective is emission reduction. Many solutions focus on promoting low-emission transport modes, integrating electric or shared mobility options, and sometimes using AI-powered algorithms to suggest eco-friendly routes. Other tools track carbon footprints, helping both individuals and organizations to monitor and reduce travel-related emissions. Finally, an objective is improving the trip experience. Although this is the least common objective, it remains important. About 15% of solutions focus on enhancing user comfort and convenience, offering features such as real-time travel updates, multimodal journey assistance, and seamless ticketing. The primary focus of these digital solutions is on enhancing the commuting experience, improving accessibility, efficiency, and sustainability. Most tools are designed for commuters in general and do not target specific groups such as employees or students. About 35% of solutions serve both commuters and mobility managers, highlighting that some tools support individual travel choices while also enabling strategic mobility management. Only a small number of approaches are exclusively aimed at mobility managers. Most of the digital solutions mentioned by project partners focus on specific transport modes, with the greatest emphasis on public transport, followed by active mobility, multimodal transport, and shared mobility, while fewer tools address all modes or ride-sharing and carpooling specifically. Next, let's examine the core functionalities of these IT solutions. Trip planning is the most common feature, with 75% of the digital solutions having trip planning as a functionality. This highlights how widely digital tools are used to help commuters optimize routes, integrate multiple transport modes, and access real-time travel updates, making daily travel more efficient and seamless. Data collection and reporting is another prominent functionality. These tools support transport authorities, urban planners, and mobility service providers in analyzing travel behavior, optimizing infrastructure, and improving overall transport systems. Many solutions also focus on behavior-oriented features, aiming to shift users away from private car dependency toward public transport, active mobility like walking and cycling, or shared transport options. Many platforms use gamification, incentive programs, and real-time feedback to encourage more sustainable commuting habits. Certain functionalities are less common or less widely known, partly because our analysis is based on suggestions from project partners. For example, corporate mobility management tools help optimize employee commuting patterns, manage company fleets, and integrate sustainable travel policies in workplaces. Exchange-focused platforms foster information sharing, collaborative problem solving, and dissemination of best practices among mobility stakeholders. If we look more closely at functionalities targeting individual behavior and awareness, most digital solutions aim to raise users' awareness of their own travel decisions and patterns. Some tools include trip tracking activities, allowing commuters to monitor their journeys over time. About 1/3 of the solutions integrate a carbon footprint calculator, giving users direct insights into the environmental impact of their commuting habits. This not only supports personal reflection, but also encourages more sustainable choices. Many of these also incorporate gamification or reward mechanisms, motivating users to choose more sustainable travel options such as public transport, walking, cycling, or shared mobility. Most digital solutions are delivered as mobile or web applications. Actually, most have a mobile version and a web version. Only a few currently integrate advanced smart technologies such as virtual reality, augmented reality, or artificial intelligence. While these technologies hold great potential to enhance user experiences and improve mobility efficiency, their adoption is still limited due to high development costs, technical complexity, and the need for specialized hardware. For example, AI-driven solutions can optimize traffic flow using predictive analytics, improve demand-responsive transport services, and provide smarter travel recommendations based on user behavior. AR applications can offer interactive navigation guidance, helping pedestrians and cyclists navigate complex urban environments. VR can be used for mobility training and simulations, allowing users or planners to experiment with different scenarios in a virtual setting. In conclusion, digital solutions for commuting are designed to enhance the overall travel experience, improve accessibility, efficiency, and sustainability, and support both individual commuters and mobility managers. Our analysis shows that most tools focus on general commuters, helping them make smarter, more sustainable travel choices, while a smaller share aims specifically at mobility managers or organizational planning. The core functionalities of these solutions include trip planning, data collection and reporting, and behavior-focused features such as gamification, rewards, and carbon footprint tracking. These features not only make commuting more convenient, but also raise awareness and encourage sustainable mobility habits. While the majority of tools are available as mobile or web applications, a few integrate emerging technologies like AI, AR, and VR, which offer exciting opportunities to optimize traffic, provide interactive navigation, and create immersive training experiences. Overall, these digital solutions demonstrate that digital tools are already shaping smarter and greener urban mobility, and their evolving capabilities promise even more effective, sustainable, and user-centered commuting in the future. So, what can you expect in the next two parts of this section? In part 2, we explore gamification, incentives, and rewards from a more theoretical perspective. We will see how these strategies can influence behavior, motivate sustainable choices, and encourage lasting habits. In part 3, we will then look at real-world pilot experiences from our project partners, showing how these concepts were applied to promote smarter and greener commuting. For more information about the project, visit the Green Path project website or contact directly the ITL team in Bologna. Thank you very much for your attention.